Hi everyone. Today we're talking about 2025 Toyota Camry and 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class in crash test comparison, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. Let's jump right in. Safety is a critical factor when selecting a vehicle, and today, we're putting the 2025 Toyota Camry and the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class to the test. How do these two sedans perform in the updated moderate overlap front test conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS? Let's take a closer look at their crash test results. The 2025 Toyota Camry has earned the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the IIHS, cementing its position as one of the safest sedans in its class. Here's how it performed in key safety assessments. Structural integrity and energy management. The Camry received a good rating, indicating excellent structural stability and effective energy absorption during a crash. Rear passenger safety. The dummy's head moved slightly closer to the front seatback, slightly increasing the risk of head injuries. However, recorded injury values suggest a low risk of significant head, neck, and chest injuries. Seatbelt effectiveness. The shoulder belt remained ideally positioned, ensuring proper restraint, while the lap belt stayed securely placed on the pelvis, reducing the likelihood of abdominal injuries. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Camry delivers impressive crash protection with well-positioned seatbelts and minimal injury risks for passengers. As a luxury D-segment sedan, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is renowned for its technology and comfort. But how does it fare in crash safety? IIHS safety recognition. Like the Camry, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class has also earned the Top Safety Pick Plus designation for both 2024 and 2025 models. Rear passenger safety. The dummy's head remained at a safe distance from the front seatback, reducing potential injury risks. Injury risk assessment. While the C-Class showed moderate risk of injury to the head, neck, and chest, the shoulder belt remained correctly positioned on the dummy's chest. Seatbelt performance. The lap belt maintained its ideal position on the pelvis, ensuring lower abdominal injury risk. Conclusion. Both the 2025 Toyota Camry and the 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class excel in safety, earning Top Safety Pick Plus ratings from the IIHS. However, the Camry demonstrates slightly better occupant protection, with minimal injury risks across all assessed areas. Meanwhile, the C-Class performs well but exhibits a moderate risk of head, neck, and chest injuries for rear passengers. For buyers prioritizing safety, the Toyota Camry offers a more well-rounded protection system, while the Mercedes-Benz C-Class maintains strong safety credentials alongside its luxury appeal. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.